In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a project on Premiere Pro. If you need to send your Premiere Pro project to a friend, a client, or someone on your team, it's important to do it the right way. If you only send the project file by itself, the other person will usually open it and see missing media, because the video clips, audio files, and other assets are still stored on your computer. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to package everything together properly so the project opens smoothly on another device. Start by going to the top menu in Premiere Pro, then click File and choose Project Manager. This is the tool that helps gather the project and all the media it needs into one organized location. Once the Project Manager window opens, select the sequence you want to share. This step matters because Premiere needs to know which timeline to collect media from. If your project contains multiple sequences, make sure you choose the correct one before moving forward. Next, choose the option called Collect Files and Copy to New Location. This tells Premiere Pro to create a new folder and copy the necessary project assets into it. It's one of the safest ways to share a project because it keeps everything together instead of leaving files spread across different drives or folders. After that, check the box for Exclude Unused Clips. This is a very useful option if you want to save storage space. It leaves out footage that isn't actually being used in your timeline, which makes the final shared folder smaller and easier to upload, transfer, or archive. Now click Browse under Destination Path and choose where you want the new folder to be saved. Pick a location that's easy to find later, like your desktop or a clearly labeled project folder. Keeping things organized here will make the final step much easier. When everything looks correct, click OK. Premiere Pro will now gather the project file and copy all the required media into the new location you selected. Depending on the size of your project, this may take a little time, so let it finish completely before doing anything else. Once the process is done, locate the newly created folder on your computer. This folder should contain the project and the collected media. Then right-click the folder and compress it into a zip file. Zipping the folder keeps everything together and makes it much easier to send. Now your project is ready to share, and you can send it to your friends or your team without running into media issues.